Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, A Happier Me. In today's video, I will be showing you a very healthy recipe using oats. This recipe is low in glycemic index, so it's good for people who are trying to cut their carbs or want to lose weight. It's high in protein and it is gluten-free and vegan, so it suits a lot of dietary preferences. I grew up in India eating Indian food and I really enjoy the taste and flavors of Indian cooking. Through my videos, I will be sharing with you some very healthy Indian food recipes which are full of flavor. I live here in LA and whenever we go out to eat Indian food, it's always on a very high fat content which is not very healthy. So through my videos, I will be bringing the alternative ways of making those recipes with less fat content and easy to follow step-by-step process that you can replicate. So without further ado, let's get started in the video. Here I'm taking 1 cup of oats. These are the quick cooking oats. I will transfer them into a blender and make a flour out of it. Next I will take 1/4 cup of besan or gram flour. This you can get in any Indian grocery store or can order online on Amazon. I will dry roast it a little bit and after 5 minutes it will turn aromatic. Next I will transfer the oats flour and the gram flour into a bowl and will add 1 tablespoon of semolina or sooji into it, and I will mix it. Now I'm adding the salt. Here I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of salt for this ratio. Next I will cut some vegetables. I'm using 1/4 of a large onion, some green pepper, which is also 1/4 of a big bell pepper, 2 baby carrots, 1 green chili and a little bit of cilantro sprigs. I'll cut these vegetables roughly and then transfer them into a chopper or a food processor to finely chop them. This is how it looks like. You can see they are finely chopped and ready to go in the dry mix. I will add everything into the oats and gram flour mix, and I will also add water slowly and mix everything well. Now I will add a pinch of asafoetida or Heeng since it helps in digestion. Whenever I am cooking something with gram flour, I add Heeng to it. And lastly, I will add some crushed black pepper. I have not added any red chili powder, but you can add this if you want to make it a little bit more spicy. Your batter has thickened after resting. You should add a little bit more water so that the consistency is smooth. Just remember, it should not be very thin. It should be a little bit on a medium thick consistency so that the oats do not break. Now I will be adding a pinch of baking powder so that these become very soft and fluffy. This is an optional step and you should only do it right before you are ready to cook it. Now I have heated 2 pans here One is a cast iron pan and one is a regular non-stick pan. I will put half a teaspoon of oil on both and put the cheela batter on it and gently spread it. Now I will drizzle some oil on top, just using half a teaspoon of oil on top, and leave it on medium to cook for about 2 minutes. I will cover my pans and let it cook. After 2 minutes, I will open the lid and flip it to see if it's nicely cooked. Once you take it out from the spatula, it should be able to come out easily without sticking to the pan. So it seems like they're nicely done on one side, and I will let it cook for another 2 minutes on the other side. You can cover it now or leave it open. So now you see that they are cooked from both sides, and I'm gonna put it in my plate. And you can enjoy this with any chutney. I will link the recipe of my chutney in the description below if you would like to check that out. And this is the mint, coriander and yogurt chutney I'm serving it with, but you can eat it with any chutney or ketchup. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed today's video and learned something new, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.